Hey there! You probably landed on this video because you're thinking about buying or selling real estate in Metro Detroit. Well, I'm here to tell you, you've landed in the right place and you definitely found the right person. I'm Katina Willis, real estate broker with over 20 years experience in real estate. Yes, I started a long time ago buying my first home and then immediately became an investor. So, needless to say, we are well versed in working with local and international investors. So, for my home sellers who are local that are thinking about selling their house, if you want top dollar, we have something for you. If you want a quick cash offer for the convenience, we have something for you too. So, that's it. If you're buying, selling, or investing, we are so happy to help. And check out my listings while you're here. Let's connect. Drop me a comment, okay? I am happy to respond to each and every comment, and I'm happy, always happy to help with Detroit, Metro Detroit real estate. So, thanks for watching this video. Let's connect soon.